Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Which section of the Registration Act 1908 deals with compulsory registration of documents? Section 10, Section 17, Section 5 or Section 18? The correct answer is option B, Section 17. Recently, in the Arun Rameshchand Arya versus Parul Singh case, the Supreme Court granted an exemption to a wife from paying stamp duty under the Registration Act 1908 for a flat she received as part of a settlement in a matrimonial dispute with her husband. Section 17 of the Registration Act 1908 deals with the documents of which registration is compulsory. Next, which section of the PC Act deals with investigations related to decisions made by public servants in their official duties? Section 17, Section 173, Section 173A or Section 17A? The correct answer is option D. Recently, in the V. Subramaniam versus Union of India and others case, the Kerala High Court rejected the argument that the CBI loses its investigative powers when it is found during an investigation that no offences under the Prevention of Corruption Act have been established. Section 17A of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 deals with the inquiry or investigation of offences relatable to recommendations made or decision taken by public servant in discharge of official functions or duties. Next, Section 21 of BNSS deals with which aspect? Power of the police, types of offences, courts for trial of offences or none of the above? The correct answer is option C, courts for trial of offences. Section 21 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita states about the courts by which offences are triable. The offences are triable by the High Court, the Court of Session, any other court by which such offence is shown in the first schedule to be triable. Next, which section of the BSA explains facts that need not be proved? Section 50, Section 51, Section 52 or Section 55? The correct answer is option B, Section 51. Section 51 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 states that there are facts which can be judicially noticed and need not be proved. The expression judicially noticeable means the acknowledgement by the court over a fact without its existence or trustfulness. These facts are presumed to be in the knowledge of the judge and proving them would undermine the competency of the judge. Next, case of Ramkumar Kondu versus McQueen is related to lis pendis, part performance, mortgage or ostensible owner. The correct answer is option D, ostensible owner. The concept of an ostensible owner was established in the case of Ramkumar Kondu versus John McQueen case. Now it's time for the practice question. A lease to a minor is valid, void, voidable or none of these. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.